billions of years of evolution, leading to life's connectivity. Thousands of years of civilization, culminating in smart connectivity. Decades of network transformation, resulting in information connectivity. Connectivity is ubiquitous, containing unlimited potential. Networks are becoming the foundation for digital transformation of enterprises, from SDN to autonomous, self-healing, intent-driven networks. The development of AI, big data, and cloud computing technologies makes all this possible. Huawei's intent-driven network, receiving business intent and driving the network infrastructure, crossing the chasm between business and networks, letting networks understand business intent of enterprises and simulating network design, automatically delivering network instructions and smoothly executing them, detecting network health status, constantly learning and adapting to implement predictive maintenance, and finally, realizing self-management and self-optimization of the network. Intelligent and refined O&M, fault source tracing in minutes, enabling the network to implement autonomous management, and providing customers with outstanding network experience anytime, anywhere. Simplified cloud-based management, achieving better network O&M with ease, shortening network deployment time from months to days, and reducing OPEX by 80%. Converged architecture of Wi-Fi and IoT, providing industry-oriented open capabilities, promoting business transformation and innovation, and reducing TCO by 50%. SDN Cloud Network Synergy, automatically identifying service intent, provisioning services in minutes, offering visibility of network-wide flows, locating faults in seconds, proactively detecting 80% faults, and making service systems unbreakable. New AI services are emerging all the time, providing higher bandwidth, lower latency, and fast networks with zero packet loss, improving AI training efficiency by 40% and accelerating data monetization. Unknown and advanced threats can penetrate at any opportunity. Intelligent protection can detect threats early, from passive to defense to proactive attack, from single-point confrontation to collaborative defense, preventing potential risk with end-to-end security. Huawei's intent-driven network, with more intelligent connections and simpler architecture, achieves better user experience, becoming a solid foundation for digital transformation of enterprises, maximizing business value, and embracing a fully connected, intelligent world. Unleash the potential of connectivity